Hi guys, my name is Brian. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can withdraw money from your PayPal account to mobile money without using actually the bank. How can you withdraw money from PayPal to mobile money in Uganda? And assuming you have a PayPal account which has pay and get paid, it's important to know if you're in Uganda or any other restricted country, the PayPal accounts that can receive has to be having a pay and get paid feature. And to use this app, which we're going to discuss, the money has to be in your PayPal available balance. Okay. So assume me like you have 26.85 USD dollars and you want to withdraw this money to your mobile money. Okay. Maybe you're going to use MTN or Airtel. It's what we're actually going to talk to you about it. Okay. So assuming you have like $26.85. You go to a link called PayPal Cash. You can just search PayPal Cash for Beta, okay? You have this link. And this link looks like this, okay? The minimum withdrawal is $40. So you can't actually withdraw like $3 or like. So minimum withdrawal is $40. So you have to make sure like in your PayPal account you have more than $40. Though the current updates, if you are a client of webvator, you can actually withdraw even less than $40. I think the minimum is sent to something like $15 if you're already a client at webvator. If you're only a client at webvator already, the minimum withdrawal is $40. Okay, so let me say you're withdrawing 26. So 26 on your mobile money will be given 79, roughly 792,000 Uganda shillings. Okay. How it's done is you put amount. Let me say someone is withdrawing like $90. You put amount, then you click on proceed. When you click on proceed, they will tell you like $90, you're going to receive this amount of money. Then you have to put in your email. Okay, you have to put in your email. Let me say this is my email. Okay, you have to put in the number. This number kind of have to be in the same names as the names on your PayPal account. Okay, if you're called Victor, whatever, make sure like your names on your mobile money match those names in your PayPal account. Now, if it's a business account like this, it's okay, but still inside the business account, there are kind of personal names that are inside. Those names have to match the names on your mobile money number. Okay, remember when you're creating a PayPal account, there's still some names that show on your PayPal account. So those names that's used in your PayPal account have to match the names on your mobile money number. So here you have to put the names on your mobile money, okay, whatever it is. So these names have to be actually the names which are similar to this mobile money number and also the names which you use in your PayPal account, okay? Then you can put a message, whatever the message that you want. If you don't have a message, that is okay. You can just say agree. Then you kind of click on finish, okay? Now, currently the system, the process is kind of a bit manual. When you click on finish, then webvator team will get back to you and send you probably a link that you can use to withdraw. In other words, as of now, the system was being misused. People will put in like funny, numbers. Someone will put in like 90,000 USD dollars. So people were playing with this and kind of brought a problem with PayPal API. So currently, if you click on finish, webvator will usually get back to you on email and they will kind of sort you out. Okay, so that's how you can withdraw some money from your PayPal account in Uganda to your mobile money. And in case you need to know of anything, you can reach out to us on our numbers on our YouTube, or you can leave a comment below if you need something to be explained, okay? And in case of you, if you don't have a PayPal account that can receive, which has pay and get paid, you can contact us and we can help you set up an account which can receive. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Okay, bye bye.